Hi guys, welcome to the Smart Gadget Corner. We provide you lots of knowledge and give you an idea about the Smart Gadget Corner. Home appliances, kitchen gadgets, garden gadgets, and many more gadgets around the world. So kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get daily updates and information. Thanks guys, enjoy the video and watch the full video to get daily updates. So press the bell icon and also subscribe the channel to get a lots of knowledge about the gadgets. Thanks. Now you enjoy the complete video and give a comment. Thanks.